if you look at the whole range of problems which any advanced warehouse would face, is definitely to ensure that the right product is delivered to the customer at the right time. So order fulfillment accuracy is the most important topic which everybody is struggling to handle. All the modern implementations, they try to use the scanning or either the latest QR codes, 2D barcodes, or even automation where you have RFID or any other automation, WCS, where warehouse control systems are involved. When we measured from the beginning, it was touching more than 99.5% of their operation efficiency was being clocked, as well as inventory accuracy of 99.6% was measured during the stock count. Warehouses across the world, they are facing varied number of challenges, including inventory accuracy, inventory visibility, labor productivity, and of course, the order fulfillment is one of the key information which is required for the warehouse to manage. There are many warehouses which are not only handling finished goods, they're also handling the raw materials and packaging materials which are being supplied to the production line. So if you look at the whole range of problems which any advanced warehouse would face, is definitely to ensure that the right product is delivered to the customer at the right time. So order fulfillment accuracy is the most important topic which everybody is struggling to handle. The customer is demanding more and more from the companies, right? So definitely any customer would demand, like in recent terms, if you see, e-commerce is one of the most developing or growing industry. Quick commerce is also evolving, emerging, and this has to be catered by the warehouse. So there are many different new innovations which are happening in the industry and especially in the warehousing, which cater to all these requirements. So legacy systems, if you see, they are limited. They are not having the latest advantage of AI or new innovations which are in the market. So they have to be at pace with the new requirements, which are the new businesses, the startups, they are coming up with new ideas. So those requirements are not being catered by the legacy systems. So all the new systems, they have a clear roadmap of what new features using the latest technology that can be implemented, which will help the visibility and productivity of the warehouse. So this is something that is only available in those applications which are adapting to the change. So legacy systems are stagnant, whereas the new advanced systems like Infor WMS, they are coping up with the pace of the evolving requirements and they are adding advanced features into the system. If there is a delay in fulfilling any order, then it leads to customer dissatisfaction, and that can reduce the customer orders number of the fulfillment ratio, or let's say the demand of the customer. Definitely, if there is a inaccuracy in the stock, you are not able to fulfill those orders, and this will lead to wrong delivery, or let's say the delivery which is partial delivery. So then in those cases, you would be either losing the customer or there may not be another growth in the sales. So that is why this is very, very important to ensure you are able to deliver the right stock at the right time to all the customers. And this is what is going to be catered by an advanced WMS like Infor WMS. This digital transformation is a key to to modernize your infrastructure. So if your warehouse is still running on legacy systems, paper-based operations, then you would definitely want to modernize this infrastructure so that you will have a real-time quick visibility instead of a paper-based operation where you have to note down what you are doing and then come back on a desktop or a laptop and then do data entry. So it takes a lot of time, as well as it will be inaccurate because there is no scanning involved. So all the modern implementations, they try to use the scanning or either the latest QR codes, 2D barcodes, or even automation where you have RFID or any other automation, WCS, where warehouse control systems are involved. So those are also being used to improve the efficiency as well as accuracy of those fulfillment. Infor WMS has a lot of good features. The latest version is on the cloud, and it's a multi-tenant cloud platform where you will see visualization is the key. So we have 3D visual warehouse where you will have a 3-dimensional view. It's like a digital twin where you will see the 3-dimensional view of the warehouse. It is generated automatically where you can query on a particular specific item to search where all it is lying, as well as look at the heat map where all congestions are happening during the operation. You can take corrective actions. You can even simulate what will be the travel path and how the picking can be efficiently done. The supervisors can visually view and see what activities or actions can eliminate those bottlenecks. So this is something that is very, very important for a modern warehouse to get a look and feel of a digital view of the warehouse itself. Apart from that, Infor WMS also has a yard view, which is also a visual view. So yard view is outside the warehouse where you can see how many containers are there in the yard waiting for docking and unloading. And this definitely can improve the visibility. If there is a priority stock which needs to get unloaded, then that can be brought to the dock door for unloading. So these decisions can be taken in a visualized way. So this is something that is very, very important. Apart from this 3-dimensional visualization, Infor also provides a lot of dashboards, KPIs, out-of-the-box reports, which using these KPIs, all the supervisors who are either managing the inbound operations or the outbound operations, they can actually view what is the bottleneck. Are we on time? Are we lagging somewhere? So these things can be monitored as well as they can be expedited. We had a customer who are doing a business in apparel and footwear, and there what we did was initially they were using paper-based operations, and because in the fashion industry the variety of stock is huge. For every size, color, sleeve, style, you have the different item code or SKU code called, and it is huge. It's in hundreds of thousands of varieties and it changes every season. So they had a huge volume and they had 100,000 picks every day. And this was becoming a nightmare for them without having an advanced WMS and managing it through paper-based operation. So what we did when we implemented Infor, few of the things we also did in a different way. For example, they also created packs. So they also created a set. So what we call as a pack, which was a ratio pack where you had multiple sizes in one carton, and so that we were able to improve their operations. They were also able to do cross-docking. Majority of the items which were push-based, we were able to do cross-docking in the first lot, and remaining items they were put away for doing the replenishment later. Also, they implemented automation for picking, which is pick to light system, and that also helped them to pick in bulk and then sort it to multiple customers into using the PTL systems. So it improved visibility and increased the operational efficiency a lot. And this is, I would say, when we measured from the beginning, it was touching more than 99.5% of their operation efficiency was being clocked, as well as inventory accuracy of 99.6% was measured during the stock count.